Good afternoon, ma'am, and to all my classmates. I am April Joy Baldon, your presenter for today. My lesson is about Rizal's life, his birth, and family. But I will lesson about birth of Rizal and his childhood life. The learning objectives is at the end of this lesson, the students can analyze Rizal's life, his family, and childhood life. And the second is identify the 11 siblings of Rizal's family, but it will lesson of Miss San Juan. For introduction, Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Rialonda, also known as Dr. Jose Rizal. He was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna. He was named Jose in honor of Saint Joseph, the patron saint of laborers and soldiers. Yung name niya daw is made because of their honor to the patron saint of laborers and soldiers, which is Saint Joseph. He was given a second first name, Protasio, after a 4th century saint who was a bishop of Milan. His second first name, Protasio, was given to him after a 4th century. As I said earlier, Dr. Jose Rizal was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna. He was the 7th of the 11 children of Francisco Mercado Rizal and Teodora Alonso Rialonda. Si Dr. Jose Rizal is ikapito sa 11 magkakapatid, and his father, Francisco Mercado Rizal, and her mother, Teodora Alonso Rialonda, is a couple that known for their hard work, education, and devotion to God. Kilala ang mga magulang ni Dr. Jose Rizal bilang masipag, educated, and have devotion to God. From his family, young Rizal learned the values of discipline, respect, and the importance of education. Nung bata pa si Rizal, he already learned the values, ang kahalagaan ng pagiging disiplinado at respeto sa kapwa-tao, and he also learned the importance of education because of the influence of his family. When he was young, and his mother in particular played a big role in shaping his character and serving as his first teacher. His mother also gave a big influence or role for his childhood and served as his first teacher. This is the meaning of Dr. Jose Rizal's name. The Jose Protasio is his given names. Rizal was an adopted surname, originally a second family name used to distinguish from other Mercados. It means that the Rizal was an adopted name only to know the family of Rizal different from other family who have a Mercado family name. The Mercado was his father's surname, Francisco Mercado. The Y or E means "and" in Spanish, used to connect paternal and maternal surnames. Alonso Rialonda was his mother's surname, Teodora Alonso Rialonda. On the moonlit night of June 19, 1861, in the lakeshore town of Calamba, Laguna, Dr. Jose Rizal was born. And in his autobiography, which he wrote when he was 17 years old, Rizal recounted that his mother almost died during the delivery because of his big head. It would have caused my mother life had she not vowed to the Virgin of Antipolo to take me her sanctuary by way of pilgrimage. So 3 days after his birth, Rizal was baptized in the Catholic Church of Calamba, Laguna on June 22, 1861 by Father Rufino Colliantes, a Filipino priest from Batangas. So in Rizal's childhood, when he was a child, Rizal showed signs of great intelligence and creativity. So at the age of 3, he already knew the alphabet, and by 5 years old, he could already read and write. And he enjoyed drawing, sculpting, and writing poems even at his young age. He also loved exploring the outdoors, observing plants and animals, which later inspired his interest in science and nature. So while growing up in Calamba, surrounded by both the beauty of the land and the kindness of his family, Rizal developed a strong sense of curiosity and a love for learning. However, Rizal's childhood was not without challenges. He was influenced by his brother Pasiano, who introduced him to the struggles of Filipino under Spanish rule. He also witnessed injustice that his family and fellow town people experiences. So these early lessons in Dr. Jose Rizal's life, it is the way to open Rizal's eyes to the harsh realities of colonialism and planted the seeds of patriotism in Rizal's heart. But because of Rizal's family, his birth and childhood experiences, it became the foundation that shaped Dr. Jose Rizal into our national hero and the national hero of the Philippines. So that would be all. Thank you for your listening. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.